A state report is a nonfiction writing project that teaches readers about one U.S. state using facts and organized sections. To make it easier, writers break the report into small parts. Start with location and geography. For example, Arizona is in the southwest and has deserts and mountains. Next, write about the capital city and population. You could say, Phoenix is the capital, and about 7 million people live in Arizona. Then include state symbols like the flag, bird, and flower. Add famous landmarks such as the Grand Canyon and finish with fun facts that surprise readers. Good writers use headings so each topic stays organized. Before writing, take short notes instead of copying full sentences. A graphic organizer helps keep facts in the correct section. Teachers often use I do, we do, you do. First, the teacher models, then the class practices together, and finally, students write independently and revise their work.